Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tisha and today I'm going to be showing you how I do a long-lasting all day full coverage soft glam. So stay tuned and enjoy. So I'm going to be starting off with this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. It didn't do anything for me when I use it as a finishing setting spray, so I'll just use it before as a primer to give me a nice glow underneath my makeup. So I made it useful somehow, and then I went in with the e.l.f. Putty primer on my pores mainly, and then I mixed this NARS Natural Radiant, which is a wonderful foundation, with a nice drugstore foundation, the L'Oreal 24 Hour Fresh Wear, and I like both of those, so I couldn't decide, so I mixed them together. But the L'Oreal is actually a little too deep and orange, but it's okay because we're doing a full contour highlights, and it's going to balance out the color of the foundation. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is a really good concealer. I know you've heard about it. One of my favorites. It gives a nice radiant glow, but it's full coverage and it looks great on camera. So I'm going in under my eyes. I am a little heavy-handed, but we need that to balance the foundation, and also I'm just really spreading that product around that was on the brush. And I started blending out the chin, and then I realized that I wanted to blend out my cream contour first. So I applied the Black Radiance and whatever color it was, Suede Mocha. I love that color, it's warm. And it blends out nicely into my foundation. I'm going to blend that in with a Morphe brush. I got this brush on sale. I like it to blend out the contour. As you can see, it's blending in. I'm going to blend it out on all the sides, and then after letting the concealer sit, I'm going to go in with a e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. It's a little damp. And I went in and I blended out my concealer under the eyes and on the forehead and my nose. So, hope y'all following me right now. You can see here I did use a little too much product, so next tutorial is going to be more flawless, but for now I just kept dabbing that concealer in. You can dab it off on a towel or paper towel, clean that extra product off, and then go dab again. So I'm mostly dabbing out the edges to blend that in with the contour and the foundation, so that it is seamless and you can, and it's just blended into everything. So I'm gonna go in on the edges of my forehead and get all that. Yeah, you don't need all that concealer. But when you do put on more product, it does last longer. So it can work out if you spend a little more time blending everything. And I went in with some more cream concealer because I wanted my nose to be snatched. I haven't been snatching it right lately, but we're gonna do something, a little something, you know. We're gonna get back polished with it. So I'm blending that cream contour out, and after I'm going to set my face with the Huda Beauty setting powder and Blondie. So here I'm going to be baking with the Mercier translucent powder in honey. It's not as full coverage as a Huda, so I went and baked with that. And I almost forgot. I just got this product and I forgot to use it a couple of times, and I was so excited to use it. So I used it here for the first time. I'm like, I was supposed to put it on before I set under my eyes, but it's okay. I still worked with it, and it's so pigmented. Look, I had to go in after with a foundation brush, and I fixed it. It was an easy fix. So I love that color. I was just happy to try it for the first time because I feel like that color is so flattering on me. So you see me going in with the foundation brush there, and I guess, I don't know, I think because the lights was in my face, I couldn't see, so I wanted to make my nose brighter, so I put some bright eyeshadow powder on it to make it brighter, and baked with that. So I am doing a little quick soft Glam eyeshadow. Just to look like there's something on my eye. I did a full Glam. I'm working with some neutrals, and I'm gonna do that light color on the lid, so that nice warm highlight contour color on my eyes. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges and go in with some brown liquid liner, so it's not too dark. I wanted it to be kind of soft, so I just went in with brown. Put my lashes on. I could have had better lashes, but we made it work. And I'm doing one of my favorite things to do, which is to shade and close the brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil and the shade 4. I love doing this. I do my eyebrows 2 different ways. I do it like this, fluffy. I do the, bold, defined brows. I like both of those. I think that I like this one a little bit more though. Sometimes I don't even do my brows. And I don't know why, because I don't have that many, but yeah, I like natural brows sometimes. It's like when you do your brows differently, you can change your face. So try to do your brows a different way. See how you might like your face. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing light strokes, creating here light strokes, and I'm gonna go in. I don't know what concealer I use to shape up my brows. I think it was CoverGirl, which is really matte and dries fast. So I think I'm trying new products today, but I'm gonna come through with a flawless routine. Just wait for it. So after blending out the concealer under my eyes, I went in and blended out the edges with my bronzer, the Fenty Beauty Mocha bronzer. It's really warm. I just blended out the edges and added a nice warm touch to everything. And I used that bronzer to bronze up my face as well, my cheeks and forehead, and a little on my chin. And I'm going to clean up that bronzer with some setting powder, the Huda Beauty, and I line my bottom lids with Sephora black eyeliner. I'm dusting that powder off and setting with the Bomb Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Then I went in with a KKW3 lip liner, and I'm lining my lips. And then I'm using the matte CORK lip liner, and I'm going over that. And then I'm going to put KYLIE Exposed Liquid Lipstick on. And then I went in with some gloss on the center, but I could have left it matte. Adding some BECCA highlighter on my nose. Setting again with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray. That's going to make sure your makeup lasts all day. I love that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate that. If you're here to the end, make sure you continue to support me and stay tuned for the next video.